Dumpster Rental Chapin, South Carolina. If you're in Chapin, South Carolina, and looking for dependable dumpster rental services, Midlands Dumpster Services LLC is your go-to solution. Whether you're handling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction project, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to suit your needs. At Midlands Dumpster Services, we pride ourselves on offering affordable and timely dumpster rental options. Our roll-off dumpsters are perfect for both residential and commercial projects, ensuring that you have the right container for your waste disposal needs. We make the process simple with flexible rental periods and straightforward pricing. Our dumpsters come in several sizes, including 10-yard and 20-yard options, so you can choose the one that fits your project perfectly. From spring cleaning to large-scale construction, we provide dependable, convenient waste management solutions for any job. At Midlands Dumpster Services, we are committed to keeping Chapin clean by offering reliable, efficient service every time. No matter the size or scope of your project, we've got you covered. Our team is here to ensure your dumpster rental experience is smooth and hassle-free. For your next project in Chapin, South Carolina, call Midlands Dumpster Services LLC today at 803-608-6437. Let us help you with all your dumpster rental needs.